Hello guys, it's Android Crunch and I am Lakesh Kapoor, and in this video I'm going to talk about keyword research in Surface SEO. Surface SEO is a perfect tool for your SEO, for your content writing, and to optimize your content faster than ever before. You can write the content not only for the user and for the Google as well by using this tool. If you make Google happy with the algorithms they update over the years, then it's a obvious thing that you will rank for the keywords. So that tool is insane to help you out in making your content upper on the results. So that's the cause we are using Surface SEO, and many companies and agencies also use this tool for enhancing their content. So let's dive into see how this all works. I have logged into my account, and you can find bunch of different features that Surface allows you to do, but in this particular video about Surface SEO we are going to talk about keyword research. So let's see how you can do it. First of all, you can see that in my research history there are all different keywords that I have used. So that's my GBL, and so that's very interesting thing. You can manage all your keywords that you have searched in the past. You can also delete them by clicking here and delete this query. So it's all in your user database and you can access them anytime you want. And then we have this search over here, and you can write anything like SEO, and then you can choose the country that you want to search for, let's say United States of America, and then we can run the keyword research. And when you click it, it will be put here. We have clicked double time, so let's click on it now, and here you can see all the similar keywords that it has researched for you. You can see that people are searching more for search engine optimization, and here like 1,35,000 of search volume for this particular phase. You can find a sub similarity as well, and you can also see the clipboard over here. Let's clear this first of all, and then we can add our keyword, right? And then we can have some same terms right here, and then we have some questions that people are asking. Yeah, these are the questions that you may find in Google. Like people ask generally, what is SEO marketing and search engine optimization, what is it, and like that. You can find bunch of different questions. You can see the volume of any particular question that people are asking, and it's based on the API and the actual results that Google offers. So that's pretty interesting thing. If you're writing content, you can include these questions to rank better with the content for your domain. So this way Surface SEO will help you analyze the keyword that you want to rank for, and you can research. And when you click on research, all the keywords that you had added to your clipboard will be added to your research, and you can see over here that our all the tags are appended to the clipboard data, and then it do the keyword research and showed us the data after doing the research. And that's probably one of the best thing about keyword research, that you get volume and similarity and all that, and you can then add them to your clipboard, export the data, send to your client, to your content writer for inclusion of these keywords in the data they're creating. So that's very helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch more videos about Surface SEO in your playlist. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Till then, bye bye, keep watching our channel and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video. Bye bye.